How to log into ANZ online banking. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into ANZ online banking. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your web browser on your device. Click the search bar at top of the screen. Type in ang.com.au. Now press enter on your keyboard. Waiting patiently, you will reach on this official interface of ANZ Online Banking, where in order to log in, click the login button at top right corner of the screen. You will come across this login to ANZ Internet Banking page, where you have to enter your credentials such as your customer registration number and the password. After that, if you don't have any account, you can click the register button or the link at underneath and then easily register and then re-log into your account. If you forget the login details, click on this link below and easily recover all your login details. After you enter all the credentials, click the login button and then you will good to go. You will successfully log into ANZ Online Banking. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.